Okay, working with text in Inkscape. Let's say we want to rotate our obesity label. You can click on it. Again, if it is a part of a group, you're going to need to right-click and ungroup it. So I'll just go ahead and ungroup until I can't ungroup anymore. Now I've got an element that can be moved by itself. I can just drag it where I want it to go. You can use the arrow keys as well. In the object drop-down menu, I can rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. The edge of the paper is sitting here, so I might want to select all my elements and just using the arrow keys, I'm just going to slide everything over. Oh, I didn't get that guy. Well, there we go. And now I can put my obesity label at the top here. It's a little bit small, so I can open the text and font window. And now that this has been ungrouped, I should be able to go in and affect the font size. Notice that it's very crowded. We need to remove the manual kerns, which spaces between the letters appropriately. And there we go. Down here, if I wanted to make my state abbreviations a little bit bigger, if I click on California, they all select because they're grouped, so I'm going to ungroup and then try and select it again. If I try and ungroup, I can't anymore, so I'm down to the base level. Now I can use the Shift key to select them all, which seems ridiculous, but there you go. And here I've got one of the states here, so I know that this is an editable thing. I can increase my font size and hit apply, go back to text and remove manual kerns just to spread them out a little bit. Now I've got bigger text, that looks better. If I wanted to go ahead and spell these out, grab the text tool, that's this thing, and it gives you a cursor. So I can get rid of my and I can just kind of click on these individually. And then I can grab my Elements tool, whoopsie, and just align these where I want them to go. Another trick to that is that you can use the align. So if I move these around and just want to make sure that they are aligned with each other, use the Shift key. Grab this guy. Oh, for goodness sakes. Here we go. And under the Object menu again is Align and Distribute, and it opens up a menu for you over here. So you can left align, right align, top align, bottom align. And then you can group them by right-click grouping. That way they're not going to break apart, and you can use the Shift keys to move them around and get them an equal distance from your tick mark. State abbreviation seems to be by itself. Nope, ungroup it. It's ungrouped. So now I should be able to delete by pressing the delete key. Let's see, I think that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know.